Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Coinbase to WAP. While there isn't a direct integration, you can absolutely use your Coinbase funds to make purchases on WAP. The process involves a few simple steps, primarily utilizing an intermediary cryptocurrency wallet. This method ensures your transactions are secure and efficient, allowing you to access all of WAP's exciting offerings. The first step is to transfer your desired cryptocurrency from Coinbase to a third-party wallet. Popular options include MetaMask or Trust Wallet, which offer broad compatibility. Make sure the wallet you choose supports the specific cryptocurrency that WAP accepts for payments. This acts as your bridge, enabling you to complete transactions where direct Coinbase payments aren't an option. Once your funds are in your third-party wallet, navigate to WAP and select the product or membership you wish to purchase. During the checkout process, choose the cryptocurrency payment option. You will then use your connected wallet to authorize and complete the transaction. Always double-check the payment details before confirming to ensure accuracy and security. Remember to always double-check wallet addresses before sending any funds to prevent irreversible losses. Also, be mindful of potential transaction fees and network congestion, which can affect transfer times and costs. For more great deals, including a fresh scent for your car, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on WAP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.